Hello, my name is Stephen. Welcome to Hyfindr Expo Highlights, where today we have James Knowlden from Schwer Fittings as guest. Thank you very much for coming, James.
Hey, good morning.
Tell us, please, James, what innovations are you presenting at the Expo?
Absolutely, yeah, good morning. So in the Expo, we've got a full range of stainless steel fittings that are used within the hydrogen market. Based on the technologies that we have, we've got solutions for hydrogen, for oxygen, and for the water circuits within hydrogen applications. All of these are available to see within Schwer Fittings and here also today.
Oh, wonderful. Can you tell us a little bit more about Schwer Fittings and maybe also show us the range of products that you have?
Absolutely.
Yes.
So Schwer Fittings.
Yeah.
Schwer Fittings, family-owned business of about 400 employees, based here in Germany with manufacturing across Europe. We are wholeheartedly a manufacturing company and providing those products that we manufacture to end customers. We're about relationships with customers and about good quality and service to these customers. And you'll see that when you talk to the individuals at the Expo or indeed later in relationships with the companies.
Right. So what's, you say you're a medium-sized German company.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so and you offer solutions as far as I understand. So can you tell us a little bit more about those?
Absolutely. So many times customers come to us and ask for solutions to how to solve their issues with hydrogen, which pressures, which applications, what fittings do we have.
Yeah.
And we're very good at what we call playing Tetris with these fittings to allow as few as possible fittings to be used in systems.
Okay, so what would a typical customer be? Like someone who wants to set up an electrolyzer, and what would they, I mean, they would probably obviously have chosen their electrolyzer maybe.
Yep.
And then it will be all about how do I route my hydrogen and make it all safe. That's where you guys come in.
That's where we come in, absolutely.
Okay.
So where our products are used, I break this into two systems.
Yeah.
Our products are used in the whole supply chain, from the production of hydrogen, compression and storage, to the end user in the fuel cells, in vehicles, in industrial applications, and we've got customers throughout this range.
Okay.
So our products have let's say multiple markets within the hydrogen market.
James, you know I love to see products, and I know you brought us pictures along, so maybe can we have a look at those? Oh my God, this is a whole...
Absolutely.
So
Schwer Fittings is not just fittings, but also the associated instrumentation that goes with it.
Yeah,
so
okay.
you can see, I won't go through these individually,
Yeah.
but if you want a solution from Schwer Fittings, whether it's valves, whether it's filters, the fittings themselves, speak to us, speak to our product managers, and you'll be surprised how detailed we can get into those activities.
You guys do tubes as well?
We sell tubes as well,
Tubes?
absolutely.
Oh, okay. But those are then with a partner, or you...
That's right. So
okay.
Tubes we provide for companies that are looking for smaller volumes of tubing that can't go to the mills to buy the tons of material.
Okay.
So yeah.
And what are you showing at the Expo? The products that you're showing
So at the Expo today, we have the twin ferrule fitting, the welded fittings, and the compression fittings. These three areas are the main areas that we have at the show today.
Okay.
But we've got product managers here that can help with multiple topics.
Okay. Two more questions I have. What's special about the weld and the twin ferrule fittings?
Yeah, what's special is that they've been tested for hydrogen applications. So we know that they work in the hydrogen market, we know they work in the pressures, we know that they are the right materials for hydrogen, and we've got high confidence of their longevity in the hydrogen market.
Is there some certification also involved
Absolutely.
there?
We have certification for the twin ferrule fittings for EC79, which is a specific test and criteria for hydrogen applications. Okay.
James, I know you've been with this for a while, but can you tell us a little bit about what's coming from Schwer in the future? Give us an outlook. Is this going to get bigger, this slide?
Absolutely. The slide's not going to get bigger. What gets bigger is the product range. So we have more products. We have a lot of products within our storage locations, and we're increasing that day by day. And we're obviously looking at the boundaries, the higher pressures, the better filtration, and these sort of things that are being asked for customers. So yeah, I mean, we've got filters, we've got valves, but that's not enough. We're also looking for what's next, and we've got engineers working behind the scenes on multiple new projects.
Yeah, well, I mean, from what I know, the filters and so on, that's coming big because there's going to be more pipelines and so on, so
Absolutely.
we're needing that. Okay, well, thank you very much, James, for taking the time to come by. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Brilliant, it's been good to be here.
Have
Thanks
a good
very much.
time at the Expo, and thank you for watching.
Thanks, bye-bye.